Remote control problems are surprisingly common with EETV systems. Statistics show that around 15 to 20% of EETV customers experience remote issues each year. Understanding the root causes of these problems is the first step to solving them. Let's examine the 5 most common reasons why EETV remotes stop working properly. Battery depletion is by far the leading cause, accounting for 40% of all remote problems. When batteries run low, the remote may work intermittently or stop responding entirely. Pairing disconnection comes second at 25%. This happens when the remote loses its wireless connection to the TV box and needs to be repaired. Physical button wear affects 15% of cases. Over time, frequently used buttons can become less responsive or stop working completely. Software glitches account for 12% of problems, while hardware interference makes up the remaining 8% of cases. Now let's move on to the basic troubleshooting steps that can resolve most of these issues. These simple checks solve the majority of remote problems. Step 1. Check and replace the batteries. This is the most important step since battery problems cause 40% of all remote issues. Use fresh AA batteries for best results. Step 2. Ensure you're within 6 feet of the TV box. Remote signals have limited range, and being too far away can cause connection problems. Step 3. Remove any obstructions between the remote and TV box. Objects blocking the signal path can prevent proper communication. Step 4. Check for the red light indicator when pressing buttons. This LED light confirms that the remote is sending signals. If there's no light, the remote may need new batteries or repair. These 4 basic troubleshooting steps resolve the vast majority of EETV remote problems. If your remote still isn't working after trying these solutions, you may need more advanced troubleshooting techniques. When basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve your EETV remote issues, advanced solutions like remote pairing and button reset procedures can restore full functionality. The first advanced solution is remote repairing. This process reestablishes the wireless connection between your remote and the EETV box. Step 1. Locate the home and back buttons on your remote. Press and hold both buttons simultaneously for exactly 10 seconds. Hold these buttons until you see the pairing light flash amber. This indicates the remote is ready to pair. Step 2. Locate the standby button on your EETV box itself. Press and hold this button for 5 seconds while the remote's pairing light is flashing. The remote should automatically pair within 30 seconds. You'll know it's successful when the amber light stops flashing. If remote pairing fails, try a complete button reset. This procedure clears any stuck button signals and resets the remote's internal memory. First, remove the batteries from your remote and wait 60 seconds. This drains any residual power and ensures a complete reset. Step 2. While the batteries are still out, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. This discharges any remaining electrical charge. Step 3. Reinsert the batteries, then press and hold the home and menu buttons together for 15 seconds. Wait for a confirmation beep or light indicator. These advanced procedures should resolve most connectivity and button-related problems. Test your remote's functionality with volume and channel controls to confirm the reset was successful.